Okay, 22b is actually all in regards to which force is greater, so it's actually in regards to balance of forces. So if we think about it, what we actually have is if I've got a force that actually goes up that size and a force that's going down that size and they're equal, that is a good case. Question 22b, I and I2 is actually in regards to when the force net is not equal to 0. So I is actually referring to the upward force is which one's the actual, what's the case? So I'm just going to explain how the answer works. So when the actual bungee jumper has gone down, hit the ground, not hit the bottom, but actually starting to recoil and going back up, it means that the force going straight back up is going to be greater than the force of gravity pulling straight back down. So if I added those two forces together, I still have a resultant force accelerating my character or person back up. So in this case, accelerating upwards is greater, or the upwards force. In the second case, what we actually have is we have the exact same scenario, except we still have this force of the rope trying to pull us back up, but the person is still falling down. So we actually have a greater weight. There is not as much as elastic pullback on that. If we added those two together, we end up with a resultant force going down. So it's the exact reverse of the second case. That's 22b.